Hi, this is Jerry, ForexTradingMagic.com. It's now 7:55 a.m. on Thursday, January 23rd, 2014. Okay, I'm going to do a quick follow-up um, on the Eurodollar updates I did yesterday. And here yesterday is where I exited the short trades. Okay, and we can see what happened after that. Okay, we've got after that we got, and even before that we had a bullish momentum signal. Okay, so remember, even though this momentum signal is still down, this gives us an indication also. So whichever occurs first, and but anyway, and so then after that we get a bullish momentum reversal signal, and we go up to um, the weekly floor pivot here. Okay, and again, the white lines you see on the chart are the daily footsteps or daily supply and demand lines that I talked about earlier in the week. Okay, and so, but now let's come back and look how we started the day here. And again, you see we've got all the support here. We've got the daily supply, daily demand line here. We've got the prior day's low. And again, like I tell you, the first move is usually false. The first test of the prior day's high or low is usually a good place to get in, or a good place to look for a signal, of course, not just get in. All right. And and for instance here now we've got our momentum has been down for a while, and remember also the longer momentum has been down, with each successive bar the chance of return increases. Okay, but anyway, here we've got a downward momentum signal. Let's see here how we still have all of this support. Okay, unless we get a signal that clears support, okay, then we don't want to take that signal. Okay, and so here, just remember, we're looking to buy off of support. We're not looking to go short at support. And so here we get a bullish momentum signal. Okay, and that's our first signal here, bouncing up off of support. Okay, that we need to start looking for an entry signal now. Okay, which is a not we've got the engulfing pattern here that told us our direction of momentum has turned up, and then we can put on the master signal, okay, to automatically give us the entry signal, which is the standard reversal bar. And in the update today, in the commentary section of the engulfing pattern indicator I uploaded, I talk more about that. So if you read that, then you'll be able to follow along with what I'm saying here a little bit better. Okay, but after that, okay, when we blew up overnight, okay, I missed all of this because I was asleep, but this is where we are. Okay, but now, so let's look at where we are from right now at this moment. Okay, and we can see that, okay, we've got a reversal bar in progress here, went above the high of the red bar here. Okay, and blew through a couple of supply lines here, daily supply lines, our white lines here. So now, okay, from where we are now, okay, where would we expect selling to come into the market? Okay, because if price is rising, price is going to rise until something shows up to stop it. If price is falling, price is going to fall until something steps up that's going to stop it. And the only thing that stops a rising price is selling. Okay, And so we're rising up. We have to identify where is the next logical place that selling will come into the market. Okay, and that's going to be here, the green bar, the real body. Okay, so let me make sure I'm a little distance away here. Okay, so now this is where selling is going to come and start coming into the market. Okay, now selling will be in the market until price gets above the real body high here. Okay, so the depth or the size of that real body, okay, is the depth of resistance here. Okay, so now from where we are right now, where is the next footstep below? Where will buying come into the market? Well, buying is going to come into the market right at the real body high of this red bar here. Okay, so now we pay attention to the red lines here. Okay, and when we go down to our intraday, say our 4 hour, okay, then we can fine tune it from a 4 hour basis and use the 4 hour footstep. Okay, and if it concurs with the daily, we leave it, and that's fine. Okay, and when we drop it down to the 4 hour, we can see that selling starts right here. Okay, well, I'm sorry, not right there, but right here, first green bar. You see, so and with each time frame we go down, okay, we can adjust it for that particular time frame and fine tune the depth of resistance and support even better. And so let me make sure I got it as exact as possible. There we go. Okay, and, and then that explains why we get a little stall here. Okay, and but that's still the daily as far as the depth. But when we look at the green bars here, we can say that there's some work that the market would have to do to get above this level here, and even get a close above this level, this 4 hour level. Okay, but in the meantime, though, we since the momentum is bullish, the momentum is up. Okay, and if we look at volume here on the 4 hour, okay, the buyers have been increasing, the sellers have started to decline here. So looking at momentum and volume, we can still say that we're looking for buy signals on the pullback. Okay, if we look at it from the 1 hour perspective, and the engulfing pattern gives you an alert if you want it. Okay, and so see here we have a 1 hour engulfing pattern here. Okay, so that means that, so where did it close on the 1 hour? Right here. Okay, so coming down, where's the next footstep? Will be at the real body here. Okay, so the only way you would go along here is right at that level, at the red bar. Okay, but we wouldn't take this, okay, because we're still, this is resistance. Okay, this is support, and we haven't even tested, this is the daily support level here. Okay, so we haven't tested that. So when I see a signal that's in the middle, that's not bouncing off of anything, okay, and then two, with this signal, it hasn't, it's not bouncing off of the red bar here, the footstep on the 1 hour. So I wouldn't do anything with that right now. Okay, but anyway, that's the support and resistance matrix, and as it stands right now, we're looking to buy pullbacks at support when we see a signal bouncing up off of support. All right, see you later.